Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix 0x8000ffff error, then let's look at the solution. First, you need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So we right click on Start, look for Settings, and we click on System, click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and we click on the Run Troubleshooter parallel to the Windows Update panel. This should resolve the issue. If it doesn't, then there should be some issue with the malware infecting your system, but we need not worry because we can look for virus and threat protection in the search bar. Click on it. Click on virus and threat protection. So basically, this is a stock Windows malware scanner. If you have a third party malware and antivirus scanner, then Windows will show it to here. For example, if I have McAfee, then Windows will show me McAfee. And then I have to scan my system using McAfee. Now I'm using the stock Windows antivirus and threat protection. So what I will do is I will go to scan options, click on full scan, and I will scan the computer. And I will restart, and this should fix this error. The third option I have to solve this problem is to sync the date and time. So what I will do is click on Start, go to Settings, look for Time and Language, click on Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Zone automatically and Set Time automatically are both on, and then click on Sync. Tick mark. So this resolves the problem. If nothing else works, then we have to install the Windows Update manually, and we do that by going to the browser and we look for Windows Update Catalog. Click on this link, enter the current month and the current year and press enter. Now we have to look for the cumulative update for the month and year that we entered based on our system. So I am operating a x64 based system. So I will look for the cumulative update for Windows 11 for an x64 based system with the month that I and the year that I entered. Here I will click download and I will click on this MSU link and it will download, and we have to install and restart the computer. This should resolve the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.